Hi, Zach. Wow, Zach's building a really cool castle with a truck on it. You having fun? Are you going to play soccer soon? We're going to leave in a few minutes. Are you excited? Zach? He's in the zone. In the zone. There's little sister.
Sister! It's the baby sister! Oh, baby
Are you a show-off?
sister!
Are you a little bit of a show-off?
Sister!
Are you trying to see yourself?
Yes,
I'll show you when we're done.
Cheese! Baby sister!
You're very shy and quiet, aren't you? Zachy, what's going on, dude?